Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ Z07 package in torch red on black leather interior. So we'll just start over at the back of the vehicle here. We've got the target top removed. It is color matched to the vehicle. It's in good shape, as you can see. We've got the privacy shield, so that's that piece there on the front. There's the upper piece there on the trunk lid, so when that comes down, it creates a privacy barrier. We've got storage underneath, so we'll just pull the top and flip it up. There's some goodies that come with it, so that's the French manuals there, some brake pieces. We've got some extra fins for the front spoiler if you want smaller lip pieces. We've got the brake coolers there. We've got the net there for your cargo. Down at the bottom, we've got our wheel lock key and our fuel filler tube, so that's there. We'll go ahead, we'll lock that back into place. We'll close this up. So it's got soft close, it pulls itself shut. We've got the stage 3 spoiler, which is carbon flash metallic. We've got the stage 3 wicker bill piece there in the center with the 2 outer fins. Looks great. We've got the carbon flash metallic badge package. We've got the clear Z06 taillights with carbon flash surround. And we've got the NPP performance exhaust. So the 2 outer ports have dampers that electronically open and close to make the vehicle louder or quieter electronically on command. So we'll just shift around here. There's your rear wheel, so nice high gloss wheels. We've got the red Corvette painted Brembo calipers with the carbon ceramic brakes and nice Michelin tires on there. We've got the carbon flash metallic vent, which accents nicely up top. And we've got the exposed carbon fiber skirt that runs along the bottom. Here's your door panel on your passenger side. So we've got the leather on the upper piece as well as on the armrest. It's got the nice red baseball stitching. We've got the Bose 10 speaker stereo in this. We've got electronic door release, power windows, and power locks. Here's your kick plate on the passenger side. So it's in pretty good shape. Couple little minor marks, but I think they'll polish out, so we'll look after that. We've got the power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat. It's got the nice Alcantara insert with red baseball stitching, and we've got the competition seats with the carbon fiber surrounds. As you can see, we've got the red seat belt there, and then we've got the Alcantara that goes up and over as well. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean, looks good. In the glove box, we've got the books. We've got the red baseball stitching along the lower piece as well as on the upper. We've got our heated and cooled seat for the passenger temperature display, as well as passenger temperature control. So that's great. So we'll just hop out. We'll close this side up. And I'll just start at the back of the vehicle, scan down this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks good. There's the Z06 badge with the carbon flash metallic insert for the vent. And here's your front wheel. So it's in good shape, as you can see. Nice gloss black wheels. We've got the Brembo calipers with the carbon ceramic brakes and the nice Michelin tires. Here we are under the hood. We've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is the LT4 650 horsepower supercharged motor with 650 foot-pounds of torque, and that's paired to a 7-speed manual transmission. It's nice and tidy, looks good. In the corner here, we've got the dry sump oil system. We also have the wire, which is the wire for the adjustable mag ride, adjustable suspension on this one. And then we've got the Z06 hood liner there as well. Looks great. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this up. We'll have a look from the front. Here it is on the front. So we've got the nice chin spoiler, which is in exposed carbon fiber. And it's got the large finlets there on the side. And again, we've got the other pieces there in the trunk. If you don't like the large ones, there is smaller pieces that can go on there as well. We've got the curb view cameras, so there's one of them. There's the other one there. Nice black badge package, carbon flash metallic vent, and the nice Jake logo there on the hood. Looks great. Here's your headlights. So we've got the nice black housing, projector headlights, LED daytime running lights, LED turn signals, and HID Xenon bright bulbs in there. In terms of issues, there is one stone chip over here that we've touched up. Outside of that, looks really good. So we'll just shift around here. Here's your other wheel. So there's your high gloss wheels, Brembo red painted calipers with carbon ceramic brakes. Look at the size of that rotor on there, just massive. Nice Michelin tires, and we'll just move to the back. So same thing back here. Looks great. So at the driver's side, again, we've got the nice baseball stitching that runs along the door with the leather on the upper portion as well as on the armrest there. You've got your power windows, power locks, 2 user memory with a programmable exit button, and electronic door release. Here's your kick plate on the driver's side. A little bit of minor scuffing, but we will polish it. We'll make it look the best we can for you. There's your power seats. You got power 4, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just scan up the seats so you can see the condition. Looks good. And again, those nice competition seats with the baseball stitching. And have a look in the door frame as I get in. Nice and clean. Let's get in and fire this one up. There we go. All right, so in terms of kilometers, we have 20,474. No warning lights, no issues there on the dash. Over on this side here, we've got power mirror control. We've got heads-up display controls here. You got your power tilt and telescopic steering column here. I'll just show you. So there's your heads-up display on the windshield. Looks great. We've got rev match. So this one is off, and this side over here is on. When rev match is on and you downshift, it will rev up the engine to match the speed of the transmission. We've got our cruise control buttons here. We've got our favorites or track change down here. Volume control on this side. We've got the arrow keys which work the dash. So when you hit it, you get info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. So those are controlled there. Telephone control, voice command controls, and then push button start over here. We've got behind screen storage. Audio is AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. Phone is telephone control. Projection is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. We've got full factory navigation. We have performance data recorder here, so you can record some performance information. We've got cameras, so there's your front curve view camera, here's your reverse camera, and then we've got dual zone climate control. So this is the driver's temperature control. You can sync the driver and the passenger. There's the individual control for the passenger over there. Secondary controls for their heated and cooled seat, and here's the controls for the driver heated and cooled seat. And then we've got our Z06 Supercharged 650 horse, 650 foot-pounds of torque badge. There's your shifter with Alcantara wrapping and baseball stitching down the boot. 12-volt socket. We've got cup holders, electronic parking brake, and our mode selector. So as we twist the mode selector, we get touring, sport, track, weather, eco, and back to touring. And here we've got 2 USB ports, an auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt socket down there. There's your auto dimming rear view mirror, auto dimming driver's side mirror, and we'll just hop out with a running, have a look and a listen. Wow, what a beast. Love the sound of these cars. Here it is from the front. Looks good with the headlights on, and I'll just scan down this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks good. Here it is from the back. Love the LED tail lights. Very aggressive look. Great sound to it. Nice rumble. And there you have it, folks. 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ Z07 7-speed manual here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.